Hi everybody, it's Crafting Journey here, That Journey Chick on Instagram. I am doing a second yarn giveaway for the month of May because I have so much of it. I went a little crazy. Bag a Day came on and she's like, oh, there's this huge sale on Mills Ends at Hirschner. So I had never ordered Mills Ends. I didn't even know what that was. So I watched her channel, I learned what it was, and then when I got it, I was like, okay, good for a giveaway. Because I don't think I'll ever use it. So the first thing that I got, some of it I'm going to use, some of it I'm going to put in the giveaway. So this is like this velveteen. I've never been attracted to, like Brene makes a lot of this velvet yarn. It's this heavyweight yarn. It is good for loom knitting. It's also good for crocheting something heavier, but it's a white and a like a pastel pink and gray. So that will be really pretty. Then the other part of the Mills End that I'm giving away, this looks like it was maybe like a tweed that just, the color just didn't come out right. And that's kind of a close-up of it. I think it may work up really nice because there's some pastel pink in there. But it's enough to play around with. So you're getting 4 skeins of that, and probably, I'm guessing, a pound of what's in here. And I am also giving away 1 skein of this denim yarn bee. It's a pink denim. It's super pretty. I'm giving away that. So, like, do you see a theme here? Pink, yes. Okay, I've got more pink. I've got 2 skeins of this rewind tape yarn. I love Bag a Day, and I had watched her tutorial, and for some reason, I don't know why, I ordered 4 skeins of this tape yarn. I only needed a couple of skeins. Probably didn't even need the second skein. In fact, did I use the second skein? I don't remember. Anyway, so I'm giving the other 2 skeins away, and it does work up really beautifully. It's a 5-weight. This is like a pale pink, and I really loved it. So much that I did order some more in different colors. Like I ordered one that's variegated and one that's a real pretty turquoise blue. So these 2 pinks I'm going to give away because they were kind of left over. So I do want to throw in some stuff with some color though. I'm going to put in this Premier Sweet Roll yarn. It's a 4-weight. It's so pretty. 100% acrylic, and I'm looking for, the color is, they call it gelato. Gelato, look how pretty. Blue and lavender and white. So that's really gorgeous. That's enough to make a nice hat there. Then I'm giving away this Premier package of Cactus Bloom. This is very springy. I really like this yarn. It's 300, there's 109 yards in each skein. It's a 5 bulky. It's called Bloom Chunky, Premier Bloom Chunky. It's super pretty. That, you can make a nice hat and a scarf with that. And finally, I'm giving away this huge skein of Lion Brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick, and for some reason my subscribers just laugh whenever I say thick and quick, like that's what she said, right? You guys, yes, we are adults. This is 174 yards of this gorgeous yarn. It is Frosty Spruce. Now you can see it. Look at the colors in that yarn. It's gorgeous. Did I say it was a 6? It's a 6. I'm pretty sure, a 5 or a 6. What did I say? Does it not say? It's a 6. It's very bulky, but, or maybe it's a 5. Well, I don't know. Where does it say? It's a 6. I just found it. There we go. That is the giveaway for the other giveaway for the month of May. And all you have to do is to enter. First of all, this is U.S. residents only. I do not ship out of the country unless you're willing to pay for shipping. If you're the winner and you want to pay for shipping, okay, knock yourselves out. It's even expensive to ship in the U.S. now, my goodness, but that I'm willing to do. So you have to be a U.S. resident. You must be a subscriber of Crafting Journey. Just, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell when you want to know when I have another video posted. I do post daily, Monday through Saturday, mornings with Crafting Journey, and within that show, I do live trial coverage. So right now we're doing the trial of Molly Tibbetts' murder out of the state of Idaho. And my just this past winter was from Idaho. And she's like, yeah, I know that trial. So also, so you must be a subscriber of the channel. You must please share this video with your family and friends, or someone that you know. Share the video and give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And that's just about it. One question. Have you ever tried diamond painting? Because I started my channel out as a diamond painting channel, and I've kind of expanded it to, true crime / diamond painting / crafting. I enjoy loom knitting, crocheting, although I can tell you though, I am still learning yarns. That's why I have so much of it, because I love to order it and get a feel for what it is. Like this tape yarn. I had never used tape yarn before, and I was thrilled with it. I really loved it. So yeah, just tell me down in the comments, have you ever tried diamond painting? Because I have a lot of tutorials on how to diamond paint, and I have tutorials on how to loom knit. So anyway, I look forward to doing the drawing. I'm going to do the drawing. Let's look at the calendar, because I haven't looked. Memorial Day. We can do it on Memorial Day. How about that? That's Monday, 31st. We'll do it on 31st, Memorial Day. It's a Monday. Okay. I hope to see you then. Remember, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, share this with a friend, and tell me, have you ever diamond painted before? And again, U.S. residents only. And I do not go searching for winners. If you do not contact me, you will forfeit your prize within 10 days after the drawing. So those are the rules. I hope to see you in the comments, and I'll see you also in the morning show. Take care, everybody. Love you.